Concept Interior Studio presents an interior design project in collaboration with Sidharth Greenwoods. This is the entrance with fluted paneling that adds a lovely elegance to your space. The light background with dark lines creates a striking contrast. The console draws us a smart idea for keeping things tidy. This is the view of the living room where the lights add a stylish and modern element. The center table not only gives a modern look, but also provides functionality. This TV unit blends modern elegance and functionality, while the minimalist drawer offers practical storage as AV unit. The open shelves combine easy access with style and customizable space. Plant ledges bring a modern touch and nature indoors. This crockery unit combines style and functionality, making it perfect for modern dining spaces. The fancy light fixture not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides ample lighting for the dining area. The puja unit is a beautifully crafted space designed to bring tranquility and spiritual focus. Solid shutters provide practical storage, enhancing both aesthetics and convenience. This dining room wall paneling uses cost-effective materials for an elegant design. The floor-length curtains have a sheer quality, allowing natural light to filter through while adding a soft, elegant touch to the room. Textured wallpaper creates a stylish, budget-friendly look. This kitchen features a glossy laminate finish on the cabinets, ensuring easy maintenance and a sleek look. A cutlery drawer, a spice rack, a plate drawer, an oil pull-out unit, and 2 tandem drawers for storage. The bedroom serves with the dresser mirror, with a ledge act dual purposes as a side table and storage. Texture paint, featuring 4 vertical wainscoting panels, and a central portrait for a stylish focal point. The cot and headboard are designed to complement the room's modern aesthetic, ensuring a cohesive and elegant look. To make the bedroom more functional, the wardrobe is designed with a membrane finish shutters, sleek handles, and glass shutters. TV unit includes membrane finish drawers and 2 vertical wainscoting panels, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The floor-length curtains have a sheer quality and adds elegant touch to the room. The second bedroom is designed with shutters, provide practical storage. The wardrobe handles are custom-made by us in HDF, adding a unique and personalized touch. Features a customized wallpaper background with an custom design adding a unique artistic touch. From this view, you can see the textured wallpaper serving as an elegant touch to the room. The loft for maximum storage and the dresser mirror with a ledge serves dual purposes as a side table, and storage also adding elegance. Thank you for watching.